Hi guys, welcome to codeartisanlab. This is video number 11 for the employee management system in Laravel, and in this video we will implement the bar chart and line chart with the help of ChartJs in our dashboard. Okay, so we will modify our dashboard and show the bar chart and line chart, and we will show the data of the employee, that what employees are registered, that how many employees are registered on this month or in any month. Okay, so we will show that data in the bar chart and also in the area chart. So we have already using this startbootstrap.com slash preview slash sp admin, and we will use this both chart and we will show the data in both chart. Okay, so let's start to do this. So first of all, what we need to do, first of all, we need to fetch the data according to the month. So I will open our project. So I'll go to my folder and I'll go to the, not in a G, it is in a F. And I'll go to the XAMPP server, htdocs, Laravel apps, and I'll go to the employee record, and we need to open the admin controller. Okay, because we are showing we have created the dashboard method in the admin controller. So this is the admin. Now we need to use the model employee here, because we need the employee model. Okay, so here we can say, you can say data equal to employee select id, and you can say created at, and here we will run group by, no, we will run get, and then after we will use group by, and Laravel provides us, we can call back function, provide the callback function, and we will pass the data. So we are getting the data with the get method and passing the data in the group by. And here I will use the carbon package because I want to work with the dates, so I will use carbon. Okay, so carbon, it is very famous library for you for using the date and time thing. Okay, now we will use carbon parse, and here we will pass the created at, and the format will be month, and the small m represent the number of month, but capital M represent the name of the month. Okay, so now we are ready to fetch the data. Let's pass the data here. So data, let's say dollar data, and we will open the dashboard page. So employee record, resources, views, and we will open this, and here we will pass the data. Okay, and let's go to the let's open the app. I didn't open the app. Yeah, I have opened this already. Okay, fine. So refresh the page. So it is saying that could not parse created at, something is saying this, and what we need to do is we are selecting the data, we are carbon parse something created at, we will see that how we can do this. Okay, so okay, so it is not getting the data because here we need to do two things. First of all, we need to return the data, and then this will be dollar data because we are getting the data and we need to pass the date. So created at, you can see that in the, if you see the php admin, you can see that in the employees model, in the employees table, we have two fields, created and updated at. The created at, this the data when we have added the data in the table. So now we have created at, so I will fetch the date from the created at, and then we will format this capital M because this will fetch the name of the month. Okay, now let's go to the template. So when I refresh this, it will show that July has ID and this and this and this. So it is in the array. So whatever the data, it will be the number of the indexes, number of the items. So what we need to do, I will run the for each loop for each dollar data, and we know that the key is month, and the values are month and date and ID. Okay, so what we need to do here, I hope you're understanding all the things. If you're not understanding them, please add in the comment section. I will surely reply there. Okay, so months equal to this, and you can say month count equal to this array, empty array. So why we are doing that? Because we need, when we are using the chart.js, then we need the data, and we need the, here you can see that we need the labels and we need the data. So labels is a y-axis, this kind of data, and data is a this x-axis. Okay, and here we can see that the y-axis and the x-axis. So we need to pass this data. Okay, we will configure this later. So in the admin controller, we are running the for each loop. So here what we will do, month equal to, in the month array we will add the month, and in the month count, what we need to do, in the month count, what we will do here, we will count the values. Okay, that how many values are in the month wise data. Okay, and then we will pass here, we need to pass both months, dollar months, and month count. Okay, so here it is. Okay, fine. Now we are going to show this data. If you are not understanding even a single point, then please add in the comment section. I will surely reply that where you are doing wrong, on where we are doing wrong. Okay, so please, if you have any improvement for this, then please also reply that, also add in the comment section. Okay, okay, so we are now going to refresh this page. So it is refreshing, so it is saying that operator is not something, whatever it is saying. Actually what we need to do, we need to print this data. So what I will do, this is for debug, refresh this, and the operator does not supported for strings. So this is month, actually this is months. We are using the same variable for data and same variable for the name. So here you can see that we have a July, and after that, because it will die after the printing the data, refresh this. So it is saying that it is saying something, and what it is saying, month count, and it has array, actually it has array, months. So what I will say, month count, let's say dd, because this will not, the double curly braces will not print the array, it will just show the value. So we need to add dd. So it has 1. Okay, let's remove this. Actually we need to configure here. So what I will do, I will get this template from the admin themes, and I will copy this and open the index.html file. Here it is opened, and I'll go to the main. I'll copy this, I'll totally copy this thing and paste it here. We don't need the container div because we have already added that. Here we have added the container div. So I will copy this and I will paste it here. So we don't need this div. I will remove this, I will remove this also. Okay, and let's go to the template. So we have a template. Now we need to remove the table because we don't need the data here. So what I will do here, I'll remove this card, refresh. Okay, so here is the area chart and bar chart, but it is not showing. What we need to do here, I will go to here, and why it is not showing, we will see. We'll go to the layout dot this something, and we will copy this area and chart.js files, and we will paste it here. Refresh the page, and let's see what it is saying. It is saying that why data is not defined, why data is not defined. Okay, actually I have tested this, so that it is saying, actually we need to open this both files. We need to open this both files. I have already tested that, but I have removed the data. So I will open public assets, demo, area and bar. I have passed this data. So but we need this data and we need X data. So what we will do here, I will, after this chart.js, I will add a script, and where y data equal to JSON encode. What we need to encode? Yeah, you are guessing right. Absolutely right. We need to get this data. This months. Yeah. And in the X data, we need the values, that is a month count. Yeah. Fine. Refresh the page. So it is saying that this dot tick something is something we are doing wrong here. And what we are doing wrong here, so this is JSON code months, and let's view this source code. Let's view the source code, and I'll go to the bottom, and here we have a July, and here we have a 1. Okay, and okay, we need to JSON dot parse. Okay, we need to JSON parse this data, and we'll paste it here. Refresh this page. Refresh this page. So here you can see that we have a July, a month data, and we have a one data for July and one data for the this is bar chart, and this is area chart, you can see. If you add the data according to the another month, let's say I'll copy this, or you can say we will copy this and copy the data and just change the month. Just change the month. And deployment status, yeah, okay, fine. So we have a data. Now let's go to the this thing, and here you can see that July has one, June has one, and this thing. Let's add another copy. Let's say we have a copy both data, and you can say 6 6, and the 7, we need the 6 only, we need the 6. So let's go to the this data. So here you can see that July has 1, June has 3. Okay, and here July has 1, June has 3 employees. Okay, so we have perfectly configured the chart.js with the area chart and with the bar chart. Okay, now we will add the link here. We just need to show the data. We just need to, when we click on this, then we will go to the department, then we click on this, we will go to the employee. Okay, so what we will do here, we need to just remove these two cards, and we just need only two cards, and that will be department. Let's say departments, and let's say employees. This is very simple project. in this project that I just want to show you that how we can work with Laravel to perform the CRUD operation with the image upload. Okay, this is the just a simple project for you, just for the beginners and just for the learning purpose. Okay, in this project we are not doing the very complicated things, we are not doing the very tough things, we are just doing the simple things in this project. Okay, so we are now URL, and the URL will be depart, because our resource name is depart, and here we have a resource name that is employee, you can see. So when we click on this, it will go to the employee structure. When we click on this, it will go to the department. Okay, so we have completed this project, except we need to change this sidebar. So let's change the sidebar also. Why we leave this? So I will open the layout, and we need to just remove the things. I think just we need to remove the things, add-ons. So I will remove these add-ons. We don't need add-ons. Okay, we don't need the pages also, so I will remove these pages. So where it is, I will remove this and this also. Okay, so we have a department, and we have a employees. Okay, so I hope you have learned lots of things from this series, that how we can work with the Laravel at a beginner stage. Then you can it depends on you how long you can go with the Laravel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please access this watch list. Please subscribe the channel if you are new to the if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon, so you will get the regular updates. And uh, please watch all the videos, and not all the videos. If you are interested in some specific topic, then you can subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video, not this video, all videos, whatever you like. And thanks for watching this video, and please share, please subscribe. Thank you so much.